Got a Tyre Sensors Not Detected error on your Focus ST? This means your tire pressure monitoring system isn't communicating with one or more sensors. TPMS monitors tire pressure and temperature wirelessly. First, ensure your tires are properly inflated to the recommended PSI, usually 36 to 38 PSI. Check your manual for exact specifications. Then try a manual reset. Navigate to Settings, Vehicle, Tire Monitor in your car's menu and initiate a reset. After that, drive above 25 miles per hour for 10 to 20 minutes to allow the sensors to sync. Remember, performance models or those with aftermarket wheels may be more susceptible due to altered sensor positioning. If the basic reset doesn't resolve the issue, potential causes include dead sensor batteries that typically last 7 to 10 years, electromagnetic interference, especially from aftermarket exhaust systems, or ECU software glitches. A diagnostic tool like ForceScan can help identify specific sensor issues by connecting to the vehicle's onboard systems. If a sensor is faulty, replacement is necessary using aftermarket TPMS kits from brands like Schrader or VDO. If you have aftermarket wheels or lowered suspension, ensure sensors are properly aligned and consider professional wheel alignment. As a last resort, a dealership can reprogram the ECU. For modified Focus STs, recalibration might be needed after tire changes. Future TPMS systems aim for over-the-air updates and AI-driven diagnostics, reducing these errors.